Good afternoon everyone, I am Swagata Shaha, the Assistant Professor of Maharaja Shirish Chandra College, Department of Economics and University of Calcutta. I have attended this practical training on ICT tools. First of all, I want to thank all the organizers of Shampukur Siddheshwari Mahavidyalaya. Yeah, this workshop was very nice, very informative. The organizers organized this workshop wonderfully. Each and every session of the workshop was very informative, very enriching. The resource persons were very patient, I must say that. And yes, this is like a learning doing process. Thank you everyone. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon to all. This is Dr. M.S. Fatima Begum, working as the Assistant Professor of History, GTN Arts College, Dindigul, Tamil Nadu. Today I am here to give a feedback to Siddheshwari Mahavidyalaya, who had provided ICT enabled online teaching webinar for 3 days. By this webinar, I came to learn about how to create a Google Classroom, Google Sites, as well as the quick fix of online teaching. And I personally thank for the organizer for giving YouTube live streaming classes. This is which is a need of an hour. Thank you so much for the organizer for giving such a wonderful and resounding success which was made by this webinar to the organizer.
Hello, I am Shuman Shana from Bodogabon Gohalia High School, Assistant Teacher of English. First of all, I want to thank the entire team behind this webinar. I appreciate your good work, your hard work and your gesture towards the participants. It has been a great learning experience for me and it helped me to grow personally and professionally. I feel privileged to be a part of such a webinar. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Myself, Dr. Rita Devi, Assistant Professor from School of Health Sciences, Indira Gandhi National Open University, New Delhi. During the 3 days of practical aspect on ICT, I learned new softwares which are being told in the workshop. These are very useful in the teaching learning process, and Google Drives, which are really wonderful to use, very user friendly. Unless this exposure was not given, it was difficult for me to utilize these free available softwares. And in future also, if the newer recording aspect is little difficult, and how to coordinate between the PPT and the lecture altogether through OBS Studio, I will need such hands-on more from the organizers in future. Thank you so much for giving such a wonderful workshop to me. Thank you so much.
Abhijit Dasgupta, TIC, Narayanpur High School. I would like to say that it was a wonderful experience for me to be a part of this workshop rather than training, and it was really fascinating. Future workshops regarding ICT practical training must have more intensive and extensive slots where the participants can perform hands-on activities regarding the training. Thanks a lot, and waiting eagerly for future endeavor. Thanks.
Hello, good afternoon. This is Pradeep Kumar Vishwal, Assistant Professor, Baliapur College of Physical Education, Baliapur, Baleshwar, Odisha. First of all, I want to thank Shampukur Siddheshwari Mahavidyalaya to organize such a wonderful 3 days ICT workshop. I got some knowledge and techniques on online teachings and also enjoy all 3 days session. I hope repeat this kind of workshop in future. Thank you.
A very good morning. I am Shubhodip Gupta, Assistant Professor, Department of Geography, Ashutosh College. I have participated in the training session, practical training session on ICT enabled teaching organized by IQSC Shampoo Siddheshwari Mahavidyalaya, Howrah. The program is very quality in nature, and 25th to 27th June I have learned a lot from this program. I must congratulate to the organizer Sri Rajarshi Mukherjee, convener of this program, coordinator IQSC SSM, and I must congratulate to the speakers, especially Prosenjit Don, Mr. Midul Ghosh, Dr. Tapan Kumar Das, and obviously Rafiqul Alam sir and Principal sir Dr. Manoj Vaidya for their so innovative and interactive live session with us. And this kind of workshop gives me an immense pleasure to know the modern techniques of ICT learning, teaching learning procedure, and to use this in this pandemic situation for the betterment of my students. So in short, thank you organizers to do this kind of program, and please do repeat this kind of event where I can again participate and learn a lot of things from this kind of workshop. So thank you.
Hi, good afternoon to all of you. Myself SK Riyazul Midde, Assistant Professor, Department of History, Srirampur Girls College, Hooghly, West Bengal. I want to say something about the workshop. I got so much knowledge from this all the 3 days. Before the workshop, I do not have any kind of such kind of knowledge on online systems. So thank you to the organizers. Though I faced some little bit of problem on second day because my laptop version is 2007. But got so much knowledge, got so much experience about the Google form makings and the PowerPoint presentations and assignment systems, Google Classrooms related all the important informations and the routine makings also. So thank you to the organizers. Hopefully you will organize any new kind of thinking. So I'll definitely participate on your upcoming workshops. So thank you.
Good afternoon. I am Dr. Kavita Sarkar, Assistant Professor in the Department of Education, Shibani Mundal Mahavidyalaya. I have attended this 3-day webinar. It was a very good experience for me. I learnt a lot and enjoyed the sessions, and I hope that you would organize many more webinars in the future. Thank you.
Hello, myself Dr. Joy Dash. I am from Bagnan College, Department of Chemistry. I want to say that I have learnt a lot from this ICT enabled teaching learning process during the workshop. The workshop was well organized, and I am very much thankful to all the organizers and the resource persons. In future, I would like to participate in some workshops based upon how to conduct virtual labs specifically for undergraduate chemistry syllabus. So, thank you.
Hello, good afternoon. Myself Nayyaz Jamal, librarian, selection grade, working in Maulana Azad College, Kolkata. I have attended the training program on ICT. It was really very much interesting, informative also. I was really thankful for the principal sir who has delivered the lecture on Google Classroom, Google Sheet, Google different apps of the Google. Really it was very much enhanced my knowledge. Thank you very much.
I am Dr. Moumita Dotto, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Ram Mohan College. First of all, I would like to thank the organizer of this training session. I would like to say that it was a very pleasing experience for me. The workshop laid the path of advanced learning for digital technology. I do not have something to strongly focus about, but I will recommend to teach us some more insights of digital platforms. My suggestion is that to again organize such a program in future for longer period of time for participants who are interested like me, and also organize for virtual practical training class. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Nipen Mondal, Assistant Professor, Chandraketigor Sohidullah Sriti Mahavidyalay. Thank you, organizer, for such a wonderful ICT program. For enriching us, I expect this type of workshop also in future. Thank you again.
Hello, myself Dr. Rituparna Bashak, Psychology Department, Muralidhar Girls College. Thank you, organizer, for providing such an informative and wonderful workshop. Expecting more in future. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon all of you. I, Linguraj De, Assistant Teacher of Physics in Murabuni Netaji High School, HS. This program is very useful to me to conduct online classes using Google Classroom, Google Meet, own website design, feedback from generated using Google Form and so on. Special thanks to Shampur Siddheshwari Mahavidyalaya organized committee who arranged practical training on ICT enabled teaching. I got so much knowledge on modern technique on online teaching from this 3-day workshop. The overall experience is very useful to me. Thank you so much.
Hello friends, I am Dr. Atanu Das, librarian of Vivekananda College for Women, and I have participated this ICT workshop conducted by Shampur Siddheshwari Mahavidyalaya, and I find out that the workshop is very nice and resource person are very helpful to guide us. Time was very short, but the session is very helpful, very helpful to us, and we learn a lot from the session. Thank you to the team Shampur Siddheshwari Mahavidyalaya for organizing this kind of nice workshop.
First of all, good morning everyone. This is Apratim Mandal, student of Mechanical Engineering Department from Durgapur Institute of Advanced Technology and Management. First of all, I want to convey my gratitude to the organizer who had made the arrangement for this workshop during this pandemic situation, and also convey my respect to the resource person for their lucid presentation. This workshop was very knowledgeable. Workshop was very interactive, and many ideas that were made during this seminar were very logical. There were many examples which made it really easy to follow and understood the topic. Please arrange the ICT application for open source software, and especially for on HTML, so that we can upgrade our design of websites properly. Please arrange the workshop particularly on one topic, especially for the students. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all. Myself Saurabh Das, Assistant Librarian, Siliguri Institute of Technology, Siliguri. This program is very wonderful and helpful to me. It was very nice presentation. Resource person are very good. I got so much knowledge from this program.
Good afternoon everyone. Myself Mohikumala Mondol, Assistant Professor, Department of Geology, Charuchandra College, Kolkata. The overall experience of the online workshop is excellent, and it helps me a lot in future work in online. Although I was in some trouble in the second day of the workshop because of my Windows 7 version of desktop, but the uploaded video lecture helped me after. The resource persons were too good, and every aspect of ICT training program enriched me immensely. So many thanks to the organizers of Shampur Siddheshwari Mahavidyalaya for conducting such relevant ICT training program in such pandemic situation, and I am eagerly waiting for the next such program.
The overall experience of ICT workshop is very useful, especially for digital immigrants like us. In future, there may be separate programs for Google Forms and Google Classroom. I request organizers to split one-day program into 2 days.
Myself, Rajesh Mukherjee, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Ramananda College, Bishnupur, Bankura. I must thank the team of Shampur Siddheshwari Mahavidyalaya for their effort to organize such a program on ICT. It was a very wonderful session in the 3 days. The speaker was very good, helpful, collaborative, cooperative, and the organizer was very helpful, and I learned a lot and get a bag of information which will be helpful for future, and I think they will organize more programs like this in near future. The program may be on theoretical physics or computational physics and experimental physics. Waiting for your activity. Thank you all.
Good afternoon. Myself Joydeep Gupta, student of CAT Center, Jadavpur University. I have participated the online training session on ICT enabled teaching organized by IQAC Shampur Siddheshwari Mahavidyalaya, Howrah. Thanks to all organizers for providing these wonderful and useful sessions, which helps me a lot for my future online works. Thanks again to all organizers, and I am waiting for your next online workshop. Thank you.
Good afternoon all. Myself Dr. Somnath Hajra, working as an assistant professor in Women's Christian College, Kolkata 26 in the Department of Education. The 3 days workshop on ICT was very much relevant to the present situation. The class or the day in which we have learned OBS software was very much interesting to me. Thank you to the organizers of Shampur Siddheshwari Mahavidyalaya.
Hello, this is Proshenjit Da from Shampur Siddheshwari Mahavidyalaya. On behalf of the organizing committee for this workshop on practical training on ICT enabled teaching, I express my heartfelt gratitude for all the participants for their active participation and all the resource persons for their valuable contribution towards the workshop. And if you are looking for the recorded videos, the link is given in the for description of this video, and I wish that we will be organizing more such workshops in future. So just keep in touch and stay tuned to our YouTube channel for more updates. Thank you.